We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this insanely basic and simple video I will show how you can switch on OPPO phone. So to start, I will obviously need to switch it off, so let me quickly do that. And then once your phone is completely shut down, in order to power it back on, you will need to simply hold the side power key like that and let it go once you feel the vibration or simply see the OPPO and Android logos. And now just give it a good 5 to 10 seconds to boot up, and well, that would be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.